Hey, Genoway, and anyone else wanting to know how to use your stylus. How do I get this to show up on the webcam? I have to do the opposite motion. So if you go down into the bottom, there's like a highlighting tool here that I want to do. Focus mouse. Oh, I'm going down to the bottom right, all the way down here. There is next to it says Windows Ink Workspace. It's like a little pen with a squiggly around it. I'm gonna click on that, and then I choose a whiteboard, and then I write a problem like that one, or 3x minus 5 equals 32. I don't know if that's what you're looking to do, Jenna, but it's a way to get a whiteboard pretty quickly, and you can choose the different pens. Let me know what you think. I'm trying to figure out how I can write over material, and I have not found a good app for that yet. So if anyone finds that, please post.